Hey y'all, welcome back to my cooking channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make some homemade seasoned Italian breadcrumbs, and I'm also going to be sharing with you my favorite burger recipe. So I'm just going to be using plain white bread. I'm going to preheat my oven to 425. And once the preheating is finished, I'm going to put my bread in the oven. Bye-bye, bread. Now I'm going to set my timer on my microwave for 5 minutes because once it's preheated, it usually only takes 5 minutes to toast the bread. I'm going to be using my NutriBullet blender to blend up the toasted bread. For the seasonings, I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasonings, and salt. I'm just going to pour as much as I feel like in my little blender here. You can use as much or as little as you want to. It's all up to you. I normally use store-bought breadcrumbs, but since I learned how to make breadcrumbs at home, I just make them at home now. So I'm going to start off by seasoning my hamburger meat with the same seasonings: onion powder, garlic powder, Italian, salt, pepper. You know how I roll. And then I'm going to add 1 egg to the meat. And then I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know what it is. Pour as much as you want to, okay, but not too much, all right? Because the breadcrumbs is going to soak that up anyway. Oh, look, my bread is done in the oven, and it looks so golden and beautiful on one side, but then it looks kind of dark on the other side, you know, but that's okay. It's because I forgot to flip it, but whatever, it works just as well. I'm also going to be preparing these noodles over here for some garlic noodles as a side, girlfriend. So for the breadcrumbs, I'm just going to take the little pieces of bread and I'm going to tear it up in a million pieces. It doesn't have to be like really small or anything because we're going to blend that. And yeah, so I'm just tearing up the pieces and put it in my little bullet thingy here, whatever you want to call that. And then I'm pressing down on my bullet machine and I'm blending that bread up. And I'm making these tiny little breadcrumbs, which are perfect. And now I'm just going to pour it in my meat mixture. And then I'm going to mix it all together. Girl, look at that. Oh, this recipe is so good, though. You got to try it. So here's my burger patties. We're not actually having like cheeseburgers or anything. We're just having burger patties tonight. Now I'm putting my noodles in the bowl or pot, whatever. Got to cook them noodles. These noodles are so cute, though. They look like little brains. Yeah. So now I'm just working on my patties, you know. I'm also going to be opening up a can of yams or whatever, and I'm gonna add a lot of sugar and butter to it, but I'm not gonna let you see me do that because then you will judge. So I'm gonna be eating my burger patty with Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce, and Alan is covering his in A1 sauce. Here's my plate. Here's Alan's plate, and Alan's playing on the phone. Get off the phone, Alan, and eat your food. I'm just kidding. Yep, so there it is. Oh, it's so good. These burger patties are awesome if you're making a cheeseburger. I really wish we would have made cheeseburgers that night, but we didn't, but it's all good. So here I am eating a little baby brain. Oh my gosh, that didn't sound good. You know what I meant, the noodle brain or whatever. Delicious. And there's my plate. I ate every drop, okay? And here is my dirty kitchen. Oh my God, is that a rotten banana? Yep, that's a rotten banana. I need to throw those away. Watch this though. Watch how quick I clean this kitchen. Bam! Bam! I did it within seconds. Okay, sorry I yelled at you just now. I just got a little bit excited, okay? Anyway, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to try my burger recipe and make a big cheeseburger and eat it. And I'm sorry for saying baby brains. That was disgusting. But anyway, if you love my channel, then subscribe to it. and I'll be posting more cooking videos soon. I hope you enjoy what you see. Leave me some comments down below and give this video a like. and let me know if you are going to try this recipe. And when you do, let me know how it turned out. Okay? I'll see you later. Bye.